Hey guys, Dr. Shane here. Listen, lots of comments on people want to know, how do I get started? Help. How can you please help me? Like how does this work? Well, if you're in the Kansas City area, don't worry. You can just look at the profile pic below or above or wherever that is, and in that link is a simple opt-in to get started, and we can with that understand what your targets and goals are and see really how we can help you. And if we can, we'll tell you that. And if we can't, we'll tell you that as well. We're not here to waste your time. We're just here to get you going, get you kick-started on your journey. And to get you guys kick-started with some easy tips for weight loss. Water and fiber, really easy. You know, every day should be drinking a big bottle of water, put a couple of scoops of fiber. You can get them in capsules like this. And that's going to extend your stomach. They have little stretch receptors, and your stomach is like this. And when that fiber gets in there and mixes into that gel, it stretches things out. You're not as hungry, not going to eat as much, you're losing weight.